Restaurant pasta in 15 minutes from canned clams. This recipe is sure to delight and will take clams and anchovies to a whole new level. So let's get going. Start boiling a pound of linguini, then heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium hot skillet. Add 12 chopped anchovy fillets and 6 minced garlic cloves. Stir while sauteing for 2 minutes, then add 10 ounces of rinsed and drained canned clams. Fry for another minute while you stir the skillet. Then take off the heat and transfer the ingredients to a bowl. Stir the linguine while letting it boil. What is your favorite use of canned clams? Let us know in the comments. In a deep skillet, melt 1/3 cup of butter. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour and whisk until smooth. Add 1 cup of chicken or seafood broth, 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon hot sauce. If you like this video, please share it. Then stir the ingredients and bring the sauce to a boil. When the sauce has thickened, add the clam mixture back into the skillet and stir the clam sauce. When the linguine is done cooking, drain it with a colander and transfer it to the clam sauce. Use a set of silicone kitchen tongs to toss the linguine with the clam sauce. Make sure the clam sauce is well blended with the linguine. And there you have it, a restaurant-worthy clam white sauce linguine, made from pantry food. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.